not much to say here, but right now I'm going to this building. We're just gonna have to have fun and have fun in the building. There's fucking dogs, bro. I might go in here. Let's go on my ways, okay. That was weird. Anyway, I found out how to make the quality of my videos better. Because last time, I didn't really know what I was doing. But I found it now, so this should be on a 180p, which is beautiful. Obviously not 4K, but 180p is it's middle. You can't hate it and you can't love it. It's just the middle. Anyway. And also I found out how to go full screen. I'm still learning, but it's all good now. From here I can see way more back. So many more at this building. But right now we're going up to this. It's much taller. Why is my brightness gone? Anyway, I'll see you there. I don't know what they're doing here. Probably changing it. Look at all. Just cut on everything. Fucking country's internet's cut out. So hopefully I'm gonna be up here today to like at night time. So we'll see like the street lights and stuff. I'm trying to find a big building right now, and then once we find one, we'll go there. If I can press all those things. My environment's so weird. It's just lots of different people living in that one space. They all hear each other. It's like a fucking family. It's so weird. Elevator here as well. loafers. What the fuck? Oh my god, that's connected to something. It's a fucking hose. Why is a hose connected to a battery? Is this a battery? Looks like a battery. Fuck. Oh, beautiful view. See that? Not just this. Like, what is this? I saw a ladder. I hate this, that's not fucking connected to the building. Look like you'll move. Probably couldn't be doing this with one hand. And it's very shaky. Look at this fucking wobbly bitch. Right. Holy shit. I can see something. Wait, I'm gonna put my phone away, but I'm gonna show you this first. You see that over there? See those like buildings? I don't know what it really is. From here, it looks like it's in construction. It looks so tall though. And it's like very fun to climb. And if you can't see all that blue, is the sea. I'll probably head there another day. I'm really not sure how far that is. Maybe we'll go there. Maybe. I don't think I can step too long. I just saw some kids, I think, in the park. But it's very nice. Oh, I love the old one. I'm gonna go straight back down because that lad is so wobbly. I just saw some kids. Like, they just like looked at me and might be trying to come up here. Okay. I just came back down. I just realised my phone was maybe recording in like lower resolution. That's a problem because that's the highest spot and I'm not going back up there because it doesn't seem nice to go back there. From here though, we'll probably go somewhere. Not sure where. I'm really interested to go there. I did see not abandoned, construction. Lots of them. Where? I might go over there. Most likely because it seems like there's lots of buildings that are abandoned there. Alright, let's go. You cannot see shit from down here. So fucking cool. Up there, I saw an abandoned building. I saw like a park. And here, I can't see any of that, anything. It's like one of the abandoned buildings, but not the one I'm trying to go to. And that scared me. The park that I want to go to is fenced. I don't know how to get there. I might go this way. just like one road. I found a road, I think it leads us there. But I got no idea, honestly. I've just found this road that goes to the direction, but I'm literally not sure how far it is. Some people here. It definitely seems like a walkable distance. From like, I don't know why, but when I see things from far away, I really can't tell how far they are. Like, something that's much further, I feel like I can just walk there really easily. I've got no idea why though. It literally doesn't seem far at all, but like, it's fucking miles away. Like, what are these bugs or something? They're so loud. It's summer, yeah? But I can't wait for winter already. All of this exploration will be so much more fun. Sadly, there's going to be no snow, but that's okay. It's still fucking cold as shit. There's an abandoned building, so I might go check out this one. I can already see like graffiti on the wall, so lots of people think this one. Those are the buildings I wouldn't go to. It looks like wet fucking cement. Or concrete. Nobody knows down there at the front. I don't want to see, I don't want people to see me enter, so I'm gonna wait a little bit. Right next to it. That's perfectly not suspicious. I like more abandoned buildings where there's not graffiti and random clothes and footsteps. There seems to be a lot of abandoned places here. I don't know what's going on. But all of them are like, I don't know how to explain it. Most of them like just don't have walls and you just see the like structure and then like a part to walk up. But those ones never go high. I've got no idea where this fucking building is. I'm not sure if the not picture, but like what I saw from there is like multiple buildings, multiple tall buildings. I got confused, but I don't see it. And I don't know what to do. I should carry on really, because I've got no idea where the fuck I am. Literally, all I do is go into buildings, try and find them, and walk to them, and I'll Google Map to fucking help me get back home. I think it's that. It fucking looks like it. But I think I just saw some a crane or something moving. You know, they actually don't have normal cranes in this country. They always use like the ones on trucks. Where's those ones? I feel like I just saw them move, but it's probably my schizophrenia. I'm literally fucking like in the middle of nowhere at this point. It's so weird. Alright, well, there's some abandoned buildings. I'll go up and try and see if the bigger one's in construction right now. Because I feel like I saw the crane move. Unless I was crazy. But from here, the big construction place looks like it's crumbling. It looks like big pieces of concrete is like on every floor. There's like big pieces of debris or something. I feel like I'm in fucking savannah desert. I've got no idea how much storage I have, but assuming that I'm videoing in 4K, even though on TV it says 180p, you're gonna see much less stuff right now, because I've probably just wasted a shit ton of my storage. I'm on a fucking iPhone 10 right now, so I've barely got any storage, so you'll just see me on top of the building and speedy type shit. I don't know what way to put it, but it'll be much quicker videos at 10 minutes. Most of the time, I don't know what they're doing in this country. Like what they do in these buildings, like this one, looks like it's in construction, right? Yet, it's so poorly, like, I suppose how stupid, but built. I mean, in at least like a European country, or a better one, it'll be surrounded by a fence, like a metal fence, and then it'll be much cleaner than this. And maybe not, honestly, but like something seems wrong about this. Like they just left it all like this. You can grab fucking anything you want. Anyway, that's the building. It doesn't seem like the cranes are moving or the trucks are. But I can hear some construction sounds. I don't know how to put it. But other than that, some buildings looks like it's just like crumbled, like that shit over there. It looks like there's like debris all over the place, like inside and everything. I can definitely walk there. But I'll probably stick to one building because I hear some like jackhammers and shit. But other than that, it seems relatively fine. I'm just worried about people and it crumbling, really. Because that shit does not look sound. I'm running low as hell on storage, so that's there. And I'm about to teleport there, yeah? Trust. Okay, we're pretty much here. Good lord, it's hot. Wait, look at this, bro. I'm in a fucking field. Some random field. It's not even that big, honestly. But the lack of everything is annoying. Lack of fucking water. I haven't really eaten much because who wants to eat when they can do this, really? Okay. See those buildings? They don't look like they're crumbling from here now. They just look like lots of wooden planks like that, like in construction. But that brick building seems very nice because I don't think anybody will see me, and it seems pretty tall. Seems like that building next to it is basically what it's going to turn into, so that's pretty cool. Look at this. Holy shit, the one over there is all much deeper. There are going to be some big buildings here. But also, I hear some, a generator. That's a generator. What the fuck? There's a generator. I'm not sure if there's people. I see something. There is people here. I see that back. I was going to say, I don't know if there's people here, but definitely is people here. I'm going to try and not get caught. Workers are like over there. I can't see anybody at the brick, so I don't know. I'm going to try and be as quiet as possible. So look at this here. This looks epic. And there are 2 dogs. I don't like that one bit again. I can probably just walk past them, but I'm very scared. But they're just walking away from me. Alright, 3. Seems like it's doable. Be quiet. It's hard to see. This could be fun. But I'm trying to sneak in here. Doesn't see me. Doesn't seem like there's any cameras too. Just go up normally. Okay, nobody's. Because it's him. Okay, nobody's. That's all this green stuff. I should try and get up that building. Oh, let's find up there. I don't see. I'm not next to them. I'm fucking next to them. This country's so far, it's making my nose runny. The problem with our countries, it always makes my nose runny. I fucking hate it. Literally, the fucking building next to me. a little bit less risky. There's people nearby, but not construction markets, so I think we'll be fine. Don't need it. What the fuck? Just hey, Lewis. Maybe it won't be there. What's going on here? Seems like they're heading into a different building. I'm not sure if they saw me, but I don't think I'm going to come out of that building. Especially some stairs. And those stairs going to the very top. I don't know why that is actually. But look at that. Why are there no stairs going up there? Anyway, I think that'll be it. If there is anything, it will just cut straight to another random fucking building. But see ya for now. By the way, side note, this seems like it's definitely going to be the end of the video, but about the going at night so we can see the towns or the cities lights. Yeah, it's going to be in a separate video. It's the same day, separate video. But I feel, guys, this time, Jesus Christ, it's like fucking boiling. I'm still in the field. Alright, see ya.